Hello, it's your Tendera here. Ayan, proud Bisdak in Texas. So, I'm gonna show you my office desk. So, ito yung finished product. Kulang pa siya ng decor, new chair, new computer. Ayan, maghahanap pa tayo. So, ito yung, this is how they built it. Nililiaut muna nila piece by piece. Ayan, so, buti na lang andito si Miko. Otherwise, I don't know kung ma-finish namin siya within 2 days. Kasi, ayan, marami to siya. Meron pa sa the other side na wall. Hindi ko lang napakita. But anyway, at some point, may mga instruction na mahirap siyang i-follow. Buti na lang andito si Miko. So, ito na yung bottom part. Ayan, we just need to, the next part is to build the hatch. So, yun yung pinaka-last part natin. So, ito na yung hatch.
Day
building
2.
the hatch. Yay! Excited na ako makita. Ayan siya.
Man,
Yung
you
finished
guys are
product ito,
so
it's in the
slow.
beginning. Charot. So, ito yung hatch. Last na to. Hala!